Caught these little parrots flying around. There he is. Hi, little buddy. There's your, oh, there's two more. Looks like a group of, holy crap, they're all over there. I mean, it's like a group of, robins. Oh, sorry, man, they're hard to see. Look at all these guys. Look at all these damn parrots. Parakeets, parrots, whatever they're called, but they're... Gee, Manelli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, they just fly around like robins do in the States. See you, buddies. Oh, here's two more. See what these guys do. One's dancing. Got the happy dance. Oh, I think his legs hurt. You got a hurt leg, buddy? You okay? Yeah, your leg hurts. Ooh. Your leg hurts, don't it? I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. It's pulling on the grass. Wow. Hi. Can you talk? Hello? 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 Whoa. And then the common black, whatever the hell bird that is. Alright, bye buddies.